This is a dump truck, a strong, helpful friend that carries sand and dirt. Its big back lifts up to pour everything out, always ready to help build. This is an excavator, a powerful machine with a long arm and a sturdy bucket. It digs the ground, lifts soil, and helps shape the land, always ready for big adventures. This is a white race car, fast, sleek, and full of energy. It zooms down the track with a bright roar, ready to chase every finish line. This is a bulldozer, a strong machine with a big front blade. It pushes soil, rocks, and debris to clear the way. Always steady, powerful, and ready to shape the land. This is a dump truck, a strong, helpful friend that carries sand and dirt. Its big back lifts up to pour everything out, always ready to help build. This is Teo the Blue Bus, a cheerful little bus who loves giving rides and exploring the city. With his bright blue body and friendly smile, Teo is always ready for a fun trip. This is a Volkswagen Beetle, a cute, round little car with a friendly shape. Its engine hums softly as it cruises around, always ready for a joyful ride. Car. This is a helicopter. It rises into the sky with spinning blades, lifting smoothly above the ground. Fast, agile, and always ready for a sky-high adventure. This is a Jeep Wrangler, a tough, adventurous car with a bold stance. It climbs rocks, crosses mud, and keeps moving no matter the terrain. Always ready for an exciting journey. This is a fire truck with a big ladder. It rushes to help when there's danger, lifting its long ladder high to reach tall places. Strong, brave, and always ready to save the day. This is a garbage truck. It collects trash from the streets, lifting bins with its strong arms. With a big container in the back, it keeps the city clean every day.